a business committee ya wa mrashe jefie sana ne kyen ya wanyansa saye be sane ba ya yɛwura ken of rata obeba mrashe jefie
abusafo weni afoforo pii ni akekese ne ne se kase ababi a wo bia na no pɛ ye ba ne de aba besom me de ya bo amali bia boga no pɛ mene
akosia ajewa kode boati
yen hye kase na simfamfiri mampani na nado danko akufo na tena ye na mampani agira ne tumi a oh my god amamra constitution ya amamra ne nchama ne de ama no so amase ye no mo kase wapo awura no mo benso bi se samrase wajafo ji wono mutumu a omo emedi ministers wona bemu no mo mo anoma ne ma entuto ye emfama no mama ne tuasa ne amra hyebejafo no e wa kwama mu a enra eno mu agya omo bi esuku omo nyina akoya omo kokosha ase so omo sumo man no ene ye ni nunu ya no omo kwakotono no makwakoye na omo hye adwuma ase enra no na speaker of parliament mrasebejafie mu echi amehene right honorable Alban Kingsford Sumana Bobby na de tumrasebejafo no nyina nim se wonya krata every man penin na nado danko akufo nchen na krata ne nyina akere se wapa awura no mu nso bi se mrasebejafo no edosodoso wonum na fini kikawa bi ani wo mo ho a wo ma anyo mu ntumu no mo emesom no nyodi kan honorable KT Yamondo a wo mrasebejani wo mrasebejafie ma de so mo adanse asokwa baton pesua so mampani apa no se mrasebejafo no gine tumu a wo ma minister obehwe dwadie ene firi nyuma ho nsensem so na geso no na ekosi alankyerematen anan honorable Brian Champion so mrasebejani ma de so mo abetifi abaton pesua so wono so Ghana mampani apa no se mrasebejafo no gine tum saa wankoye soafo a obehwe o my god yekua yo ho nsem so na geso no ena ekosi Dr. Akoto anan ena honorable Stephen Asamoah Boateng dodo na sarma ne se asabi wono so Ghana mampani kire se mrasebejafo no gine tum a wono so enkoye minister obehwe ya mamre ya mane ene ahensem so na gese opani eye Ebenezer Kumu a wode na dwuma to honom no wono so ena ekwakosi na nan karaga mrasebejani Mohammed Amin Adam so mampani apa no se mrasebejafo no agine tumu a wonko minister oba betena ne nchen na wa show my Ghana sika semene ne ntoto so na gese minister of state and the Ministry of Finance ya wono no ekwakosi Charles Edubuahin anemo ewo ho honorable Osebonsu amu asoso mrasebejani ma adesia wo mo ewo akuapem south abaton pesua so mampani abonidin se mrasebejafo no susu gine tumu a wobre no meye soafo a obehwe yenkrase ene apapa mamu ho nsensem so ewo mampani atenaye na geso no susu Minister of State ya obehwe local government so Herbert Kapa so mampani apa no se mrasebejafo no gine tumu a wono susu nko no koye soafo abedi yekira obehwe o meya ho anene ho nsensem so Deputy Energy Minister okono akwakoboa Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na po ena Stephen Amoa Stika wono susu mrasebejani wo enhye so abaton pesua so okumase wono susu mampani abonidin se mrasebejafo no gine tumu a won koye soafo abedi yekira obehwe mfidi nyuma ene dwadie ho nsensem so na keso no ena ekwakoboa KT Hamondo na sane speaker edi tuja o mrasebejafie mu eni.
I take the opportunity to wish you and the members of the House a happy new year. This is to inform you of certain changes that I intend to make to the government with the approval of Parliament. Following the resignation on 3rd January 2023 of Mr. Alan Chairmanten as Minister for Trade and Industry, Dr. Owusu Afie Akoto on 10th January 2023 as Minister for Food and Agriculture, and of Honorable Ebenezer Kojokum, Member of Parliament for Hunter West, on 3rd February 2023 as Minister for Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. I have, in accordance with Article 78(1) of the Constitution, nominated the following persons to be appointed as Ministers of State in their place, to the approval of Parliament. 1. Honorable Kobina Tahir Hammond of Parliament for Adanse Asokwa, Minister for Trade and Industry. 2. Honorable Brian Achampo, Member of Parliament for Abetifi, Minister for Food and Agriculture. 3. Mr. Stephen Asamoah Boateng, Minister for Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. I have further nominated the following persons as Ministers of State, subject to the approval of Parliament. 1. Honorable Mohammed Amin Adam, Member of Parliament for Canada, currently the Deputy Minister for Energy, as Minister of State at the Ministry of Finance, to replace Mr. Charles Edubuahin, former Minister of State at the Ministry of Finance.
Abusuanti wa yenra ne ekoso e wo mrasbeje fie mu ho.
Dr. Abdul Jalilu Atiku ano so ebana manyosemu a wo mu nyansabo akwaya wodine juma e wo University of Ghana. Enra dan sakra sonkon ya mampanyin na Speaker of Parliament so ayeye e wo na mamuo no won so akye na dwen dia fa ho. Na adwenkyere ni mu no no oba ba kire se wadi mampanyin emu hwemo pa. Sa anioma na Ghana fo ehwe ni mu titiru. Sa ye wura ken of ratank wa ba sesano na wo foforo aba tena konya no so ahwase esikasem enwo totoe nyina abekọ yie no anya sansakra na mampanyin yeye na magwagwa esa akonya no adam pan no a ena opa foforo bi ade wonom hyehyemu enam so ama wo kire mu se enei no ye wura keti ha mod krampo no a wode na kwakwahwe adwadie ne mfiri nyuma wo nsam so se honom mum eno nkonkoye no wode mampanyin ye adwene a enye yi.
Reshuffle in general expected because for a very long time, I think under the circumstances, na say omampini exercise ministers, any other appointees, because opa amount for some mebo embu or mine, na say a group campaign should be a nema dia. Yes, a yansa ni pabako, a timuntino, as say other members of your party, other people with various background expertise, so in that terms, make us very good because I mean a long overdue. You should have done that very long time, but was in the ministers and they were performing well. But as to whether so only finance minister on the son or near the I'm not happy about it at all. Broadly, generally say why reshuffle no? Yes, we're expecting say the business cost to what you say, but the current situation now you room for some time now. I think say finance minister no was son.
I was here, I know no to Jano Nanka was say you're a kind of rata. What to Mrs. Son away a Dr. Abdul Jalilu.
I was for yensa from Comras with you honomobile. Now, honorable Seche Mensa Bunsua, why am Raswig Nima de show more some Yabaton Pesia so no cronoa, as I see candy for Edom Kessiano, or Dawomano Edia to say, and this in such a ya, Wama Iron or Parliament ya candy for a DND Samanyu Kunim, Wama you among every honomo, Edia for Froban, Waka, Amaman saying in Atiasie, sending your Harana Idrisu dear, or Befinipa, no Casu we are singing at sending a choir, yes, Harana Idrisu Nimuntakanum, Ababeton NDC Diamond Pipi for no, was say and sit da, no more Yoma Juma, Samra Sojafua, one more Edomo, Amanyukunu, or Modom.
That the parties, not only NDC, but the parties should do serious introspection on their own parties' constitutions. That is where the problem is. Let those who have ears listen. Mr. Speaker, I guess, as I said, the other political parties must take a cue from Mr. Speaker, let me take the opportunity to express my profound appreciation to the Honorable Haruna Idrisu, the Honorable Muntaka, and also the Honorable James Abeji Cloche in the services that they've rendered, not only to the minority caucus, also to Parliament.
Abusia honorable Seche Mensa Bunsu Yamraswe ni Wamraswe Fiema de Somo Swami Abaton Pesia so ono akwara ne saso ye kendifo edom kese Wamraswe Fiem na nanusi ya and honorable Kesa Lato Forsena say wono ena ababedi edom kuma nanim se minority leader osaso Yamraswe Gedima de Somo ejumako enye de sie na Abaton Pesia so e ma ni nuanum nyina akwaba esre wonum so momonichi dom no som de omo ba besum bi pa.
Mr. Speaker, the people of Ghana looks up to us to mount a barrier between them and the Western standards of governance, especially because of the hung nature of this parliament. Mr. Speaker, this demands the highest level of scrutiny of government policies and activities to prevent the infliction of more damage and pain on an already weary and overburdened populace. It is unclear, based on the history of the majority side in this House, in the 8th Parliament, whether they are motivated, like we are, to put the brakes on the very poor governance we have seen so far. Mr. Speaker, I can say with all the confidence I can muster that we, on the minority side, mean business.
Honorable Kesel Ato Forsen say one no minority leader for fro e wo mraswe gefiem nenra no mani nuanom nyina akwa aba no.
Na mrashabaja fie hono ano chiame hene ye oho ayera Alban Sumana Bagbin one so anoda warato business committee ye wo mrashabaja fie anim sa won fa nhema pangu akwamo ho sa o magana ye photo samfo ye wa kind of rata baba mrashabaja fie enwuma bi e fa no debt exchange program ne ho no wo ba ba chire mu amagana fo enya won ho ntiase ye pa enam so ama minority no afam wo no mra sebadwane ye wo gena wo de ma de hia e won of ton about ton person so ye wasamo ba ko je to black one so asore kasai ya wo chire mu individual bondholders no wo mo so ha wo ne amane pia wo mo de abadan dom kuma no.
Quote, with your permission, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the details of the debt operation program will be announced soon to the public and the investor community after the necessary engagement with all relevant stakeholders, unquote. Mr. Speaker, these engagements have not taken place. Members of Parliament have not been engaged. This House has not been engaged. The individual bondholders have told us that they were not engaged. Indeed, the President had assured them a few days prior to the announcement that they will not be part of it. They will be exempted. Now, all of those who were told they will be exempted have all been included.
I know no Deputy Minister of Finance. One money for Abena was Sassari, one so Akasai.
In the budget of 2023, we mentioned, this House approved that policy, that we were going to come up with a domestic debt exchange. And Mr. Speaker, based on the budget that was approved, Parliament gave us permission to spend compensation to a certain tune. There's the same with our borrowings to a certain tune. And then capital expenditure as well as goods and services. And for my friend on the other side to say that we are now going to borrow, these are funds that were approved for us to utilize previously. And government is saying, I'm engaging with you to make sure that due to the conditions in which I find myself now, I will not be able to discharge what initially I had agreed with you.
Near turn carry your so far the tree or show my Ghana sick as some so. Mamma Abena or say assay.
I was afraid the more call Amancia Central about on Pesua Santamantema senior the more call cry for say into mim. Now this year is strengthening for 1 year can be a woman and penning for a cream when you are mompottem one more. Yes, some about you some way to a donkey in Nara, some more intro and measure woman as sitting a modia, one more ebrepa. One more chest idea Biara was any padasani, named Sakabi, a man as sitting a moya nika. Eya kono edemanu no abo mokra ebasuku ebinsi wonum eba kwanhwe so atete apansam ema chese sebi mpreduasa ya nekra no womo enibi enti womo so womo mra sojafo womo DC ene womo mpenimfo womo potemo no se womo entwo mene mehwe womo na setena de emu ayede ede ama womo womo ne yanua ba bedu ene disa enkomo we
ya toiletin ene yan grants efa kantin ni ade ni nyina womo nibi ene womo kasa nkora ni sa enso lesde de nkora ni ebi ewoma obese omo abam yepe nkora nso womo disuan nso ebekọ enkan omeye maye omeye kwan ma se fe toilet se ebenya eye friends toilet kama bomba sa
yepe de toilet yo school da no ke nyina de ke ene nkora ni ntare ushemu ni wo mbu ke ni na ke mu fanyina ko be mu mai ni ati mu frana nyene ge nyane sa ke obubu no ko sini sa mai ni ake to toilet nsuo to a etumi yiri ukom kura na usuru esa na nkofo so ene mfichire kura na obi akotoilet ho
Abusia we entombe mi ya wa Mansia Central abaton Pesua so asantemantemu ena adehye ne de sansem ye tudwa no
Asantemantemu panye pa ya pomden wonsem wata no ye Dr. Emmanuel Tenkran na anu adanhye mudie bi akoso asantemantemu fa no ya pomden mu ena wana sa kwan no so de ato Ghana fo nyina nim asrasa COVID-19 yade no enko yo atetenkwanchen ha ya enam so nti no wasra de hye nam titiriw one more ampane no wo mu obie one more ma wo krokro ene wo mu wo se booster ne ade wo so be wo no se adaworoma ene ne kine ya won force enyoyo
modern road na so ehiase ebebo if you say results na ye hwehwe ni yenyae iti ne hiase ye ni nipa be kasa na ebe encourage omo na obroni ka no motivation say dey be ya say wa wo baako a obeba be wo bienu say wa wo mienu na say hia say obe wo booster na no wa wo omo a omo obi da no na nso wo ma ba be wo baako nti efi 8th February sa edikosi 13 February mount very intensive campaign in our Ashanti region. Now you have focus on these 20 districts. No, actually say you bet me enya coverage no ama kosra. Now so you inquire into me yet into you here media no and amafu nyina emwa na okasatre na yehye nipa nkran said e be ya obewo pade no ama yetimi asoyare no ana ewo Ashanti mantam ha. Se wo panel na ye nyina nim se ebeboa ame ate yare no so ebeboa kra me yi yare na fi ho kra ana se wo yare no nemu ye din kra enya de e betimi akun
abusia wei aye Asante mantamo panyepa ye banapom di ho a wada no Dr. Emmanuel Tenkwan
ya de kasia na ekwa wie ewo NPP amanyoku na tena ye na mobaka hye nso a enra na ebeto dwakra se NDC womo swame abato mpesua so youth organizer akwa keka nsem bi emene ne nsem de nyame nim ne bonsam atiko ne ano hye emususu orempa se 2024 na Ghana ma de hye ye bobo eho akwa akoto na abato no he ne wo se NDC fo ye bia mrante ne mabawa no ne wo so mu ye bia no wo munye se be na nkurimdie beko ede ama NDC amanyuku no ene se wo se wo de aba edanchi MPP ni ma nkurimdie ba na de adanchi no se wo se wo sini sum susu a no wo sini sum ni nyina se ne be ye na nkurimdie ebeko de ama NDC amanyuku no e wa santemantama sei ene soame abato mpesua so na enumu na NPP Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer ene ne dom de krata ba bonten chese saade no a esie no chese hey mampeni da John Dramani mama eni bra ene chese chinchirinchini a power wo pedie na ama ne dom ene ne mranchene mabawa na saadwene na ba beto omutirimu a akwakopie sa mosquito no ntontom no a owo so ame abato mpesua so na no no na omo de omo kama mansa nyina te sa asem na esie no omo Ashanti Regional Youth Wing no esrempenim for se Catholic Bishop Conference penimfo mrem Christian Council of Ghana penimfo emrem yenuano musumifo wom penimfo ene akandifo emrem na no ahemfo hwe no ma ntena se enwomani semfo mo ho enfo mo dako na ababe from ntumam wom so mo nkeka wom no mo nkasa mfa ho ena ne kese mu pa no National Peace Council penimfo wom ehwe ne mu se saade na esiye no ombeba bonten wom ababe kasetia na se yetia ena also mo tia NDC abrantie no ene NDC penimfo maba sese a ase omode ani brebi chinchirinchiri a yagitumi no a womo atia wunum Raphael Safo Patrick here woye Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer ena one ne dom edisa krata we ba bonte a womo so mo hwe ni mo se nani kire ya Christian Council ne mpenimfo a ewo mayi mu ebetu anamo no ma apebibi akakire NDC amanyuku mpenimfo titiru ene asantemantama sei ene soame abato empesua so abuziafo ede kase esi ne asore oman hene tenase ensem no obewuram na wadi ho nkomo pinua anopei ene so ye kwasem oba no aba be ka nsem nyina yesam for penny Asante ebo Benedict wono ena nsemi osa ne nyina mu ede ma yen akosua so mu ane tenase echinchim die no so ede ema yen so manopei na ya bo amalibi aboga no pe mene
akosia ejiwa kwode boatin
mafuya meya